You know, he was kind of a jewel to me. I drove maybe half a block and I said, Calvin, do you have your seatbelt on? I think he just sighed, and we pulled over and heard the click. And so we went on our way. I knew that he had passed away when we crashed. Everybody that was buckled lived. The seatbelts saved their lives. I just feel like, dang, if we would have just had that.
The European Union has required belt reminders for all passengers since 2019.
What does that say to you?
We're behind. It's dependent upon the leadership of the U.S. Department of Transportation, which of course changes from administration to administration.
Today at 3:30 only on WTOC.